Moving on now, the CBI has registered a corruption case against Allahabad High Court Judge Singh and 5 others in the medical college bribery case. Along with Allahabad High Court Judge, the agency has also named retired judge of Chhattisgarh High Court, Khudisi, and the CBI has booked the judges for allegedly favouring a medical college. And searches were carried out at 8 locations in Delhi and Noida. Bhavtosh joining us on the phone line. Bhavtosh, what more details can you tell us?
In fact, CBI has started carrying out raids and searches at the Delhi residence of retired Judge Khudisi. These raids are still on. In fact, CBI had written a letter to his son asking that either he should come or he should depute someone when searches are on at the residence of Khudisi. And this is not the first time that Khudisi is under the scanner of CBI. He was earlier booked in 2017. But one of the few rare cases in which top judicial officers are under the scrutiny of India's premier agency, CBI.
All right, Bhavtosh, stay with us. Let's just rewind a little bit and explain to our viewers what really the scam is. Now, according to the CBI, the High Court judge took bribes from the institutes that was debarred by the government due to substandard facilities and non-fulfillment of required criteria in May 27. Now, the institute, Prasad Institute of Medical Sciences, moved Lucknow bench of Allahabad High Court challenging this order. The FIR alleges that Justice S.N. Shukla gave an order in favor of the institute. According to the FIR, the institute had earlier filed a writ plea in the Supreme Court but withdrew it after hatching a conspiracy with other accused in the case. So, Bhavtosh, if you can just explain to us what really the scam is and what's been the investigation so far.
In fact, Sanjana, in 2017, Medical Council of India had debarred 46 colleges from imparting medical education. Prasad Institute was one such college. Prasad Institute initially went to the Apex Court, but in the Apex Court, once the matter was listed, someone contacted the managing director and trustees of Prasad Medical Institute, telling them that there is a retired judge who can get an order in favor of them. And for this, they have to first withdraw their application from the Apex Court and then file a fresh application in Allahabad Court. Now, Justice S.N. Shukla is a senior judge in the Lucknow bench of the Allahabad High Court. This matter was listed before him. He, in fact, told them that he gave an order in favor of them. But this order was again challenged by the Medical Council of India before Supreme Court. And that's the reason why part payment was returned by Justice S.N. Shukla to Prasad Medical Institute through a middleman and also through a licensor called Bhavna Pandey.
All right. In July this year, the then Chief Justice of India, Ranjan Gogoi, wrote to PM Modi asking him to move a motion in Parliament against Justice S.N. Shukla. CJ Gogoi also ordered a CBI probe. All of this after a Supreme Court appointed Chief Justice in the in-house committee suggested the removal of Justice Shukla for his involvement in alleged judicial irregularities. Bhavtosh, if you can take us through that angle as well.
Well, in a very rare development, the then Chief Justice of India, Deepak Mishra, constituted a body consisting of very senior and eminent judges of several courts, including Madras High Court. They submitted a report in June of 2018, in fact, which said that all judicial work and administrative work should be taken from S.N. Shukla. Then later on, Justice Ranjan Gogoi looked into this matter and gave him two options. Either he should resign and retire or take a voluntary retirement, or that action will be taken against him. This July, Justice Ranjan Gogoi wrote to the Prime Minister of India that there should be an impeachment proceedings against him, which is restricted punishment that any sitting judge can get, and also recommended a CBI probe. Now, in past 20 years, there are only 2 instances in which a sitting judge has been probed by CBI. One of them is this case.
All right, Bhavtosh, thanks so much for joining us with all of those details.